In the realm of Microsoft Azure, Form Recognizer stands out as a pivotal tool for business processes automation, primarily aiming at the processing of scanned documents to extract structured data. Today, I'd like to dive into the intricacies of developing a well-thought-out form recognizer solution on Microsoft Azure. Whether you are a seasoned professional or a newcomer to the cloud, understanding the how-to behind a seamless deployment can substantially boost your organization's efficiency. When you are ready to embark on this journey, ensure that you are comfortable with Azure services pricing and policies, as they play a central role. Now, imagine we are brainstorming over coffee, strategizing our next big project, and Form Recognizer turns up as a hot topic on the agenda. I've been mulling over several critical factors that are essential in architecting this solution, things like scalability, accuracy, and, importantly, privacy handling, all while maintaining solid IT SEO to ensure that your article reaches the intended audience. Let's delve into setting up cloud resources first. Azure provides a variety of pricing tiers and service plans to cater to differing needs. It's like choosing the right type of spice for our coffee. Not every brew needs a dash of saffron. Pick a plan that'll offer elastic scalability to accommodate unexpected spikes in document intake. Next, let's talk about data protection. As a cloud architect, maintaining a tight iron grip on sensitive data is equivalent to keeping your prized coffee beans safe from spoilage, both essential. Form Recognizer allows you to define fine-tuned privacy settings to ensure that data processed does not risk the integrity of your confidential information. Speaking of optimization, let's not ignore the technical SEO. As we know, visibility is key on search engines. We need to embed relevant keywords strategically in the blog content without sacrificing natural readability, akin to adding the right amount of sugar to our coffee without making it taste syrupy. Now, for the architecture part. You see, Form Recognizer integrates smoothly with other Azure services. For us, this means orchestrating Azure functions and logic apps to automate data flow, akin to how a coffee shop automates milk delivery to the espresso machine. As we map out the infrastructure, it's like sketching our coffee shop layout, every detail counts. Beyond document processing, we'll consider the user experience. Just as we strive to make the coffee shop inviting without being overwhelming, our Form Recognizer solution should facilitate user interaction effortlessly, guiding them through document uploads and data extraction results with ease. Consistency is paramount, as we consistently taste test our coffee by seeking customer feedback, an aspect we mirror by testing our Form Recognizer solution with dummy documents, iterating based on results. Every attempt gives our architecture an aromatic depth while ensuring each scan processes documents as they are scanned, preserving crucial business intelligence. Finally, let me stress the need for comprehensive documentation. It's equivalent to writing down the secret recipe of our signature coffee. Without it, the magic might slip away. Document our architecture, testing methodologies, and best practices in an accessible format for future reference and scalability opportunities. In conclusion, as we finish our virtual coffee chat, remember that planning a Form Recognizer solution on Microsoft Azure is less about the initial setup and more about the continuous fine-tuning and optimization. By following these refined steps, document automation can become the brew of success that powers your business digital transformation. For more insightful guides and hands-on assistance, visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab, where the journey continues with innovation at our core.